Okay, so this is going to be my video on analyzing a box plot. So you're going to see box plots that look like this now. And what they are, what did we find in the last video? We found a minimum, we found a maximum. Sometimes they call these extremes. Oh, sorry, we've got some dots out here. We found a maximum. We found a quartile 2, the median. We found a quartile 1, the median on the left, or 25%. And then we found a median on the right, or 75%, the third quartile. This is just a visual representation of those statistics. So this box goes from the quarter 1 to quarter 3. This box is the IQR, the interquartile range, from 25% to 75%. This line in the middle, because it's not always in the middle of Q1 and Q3, is where your median is at 50%. And then the extremes, the smallest number is the minimum, biggest number is still the maximum. So that's really all you need to find when you're looking at a box plot. So if we added some context to this and said maybe it was just the age of some people in the survey, and down here we had 0, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, say we went up by tens, then we would find the minimum. Okay, the minimum is a little bit above 0. Maybe I'll say my minimum is roughly 3. And then I'm going to find my Q1. My Q1 is this first bar right here. So that looks like it's right at 20. Then I'm going to find my Q2, which is that 50% line. So that looks like it is right at 30, or my median. Sorry, this is Q2. 30. Yikes, I'm going to rewrite that. And then we're going to find our Q3 at the end of this third line. Bam. Looks like it's halfway between 30, 40, 50, so I'm going to say Q3 is 45. And then our biggest number is right out here, almost at 70. I'm going to say 68 is our max. And that is basically what we would find. Then we could find the IQR, of course, by subtracting Q3 minus Q1, 45 minus 20, and saying that our IQR is 25. So this is how we're going to be analyzing our graphs. We could also pinpoint our outliers, which are signified as dots. So our outliers look to be at like 66 and 68. An approximation is fine if the graph is approximate. So this is how you would analyze a box plot. Please let me know if you have more questions.